today I'm wearing my Levi's top that I bought whilst I was here, my red culottes and Converse as usual. We're actually going down to Miami today. We've spontaneously booked to stay overnight, so we're doing a couple of days there and then we've only got 2 more days left in Orlando after that. 4 days, not ready to leave yet, but yeah, just thought I'd show you what I'm wearing. Yeehaw Junction. Yeehaw! Yeehaw! Sing. What do I do?
Everybody come in, how can you do?
It's our version now. So it's our 10th day in America and last night we decided to get a room in Miami. So we're just doing the drive now. I think it's about 3.5 hours. We've got about 2 hours left. Yeah, we're just gonna go and explore there. Everyone says like how great Miami is, so we just thought it'd definitely be worth it. So yeah, we're staying tonight and then we can have all day today, all day tomorrow, and then head back to Orlando for our last 2 days. We just stay forever. Loving it so much. It's weird, it's like half and half, like grey and really nice blue sky.
Hey Shwee.
Made it to Miami finally.
Finally, via Fort Lauderdale. Thanks Google,
Yeah.
love you.
Extra detour of 50 minutes or whatever it was.
So this is Wynwood.
Which shows the most boring bit.
And there is no graffiti on that wall, that's so boring. There's graffiti over there.
It's a place to kiss, shall we? Miami Beach, the North Beach, very overcast.